All right, what's up, guys? It's Mark here, coming at you with today's recap on the S&P 500 Forex and Futures and SPY edition. Okay, and another wild session, man. This is happening on a daily basis, ladies and gentlemen, in every market. Forex, killing it in Forex, killing it in Futures, killing it on the SPY. Just take a look at this setup that printed right as I was about to step out for lunch. Okay, I think this printed at maybe, I don't know, 12:15 or 12:20 in the afternoon. And by the way, guys, this green and red color band, as you know, or maybe you don't know, this is the volume indicator. This is such an incredible, amazing, powerful, exhilarating tool. I personally love it. It has consistently helped to get the direction right. Okay, volume is a leading indicator. It's not a lagging indicator. But anyway, I mean, look at this. From today, 200 pips / ticks just in 1 hour. Okay, again, guys, this is happening on a daily basis. But what I want to do something for you today, guys, I got a real special treat for you. All right. What I'm going to educate you here on this video is the #1 way to calculate your risk and reward. You're going to want to watch this video. Out of all the videos I've done this week, this is the good one. This is the important one. All right. And that's because I'm going to teach you how to keep your losses small while making your winners huge. That alone is the essence of risk and reward, ladies and gentlemen. All right. If you don't know how to implement proper risk management techniques in your trading, you're going to get blown out, man. You're going to end up in the trash heap like so many other retail traders who don't know what they're doing. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now for you is I'm going to layer onto the chart every loss from today and every winner from today. Makes sense? So I am going to literally show you in front of your own eyes how we were able to keep our losers small while keeping our winners massive. All right, now watch this. With one click, kaboom! We're going to layer on all of the winners from today and all of the losers from today. And just be patient, all right? Bear with me here. By the time you're done watching this video, you are going to see the most powerful trading system output in your entire life, okay? On a day where the market gave us both heavy trend and heavy chop, and I'm going to show you how to navigate that, all right? So what you see on the screen right now are all of the areas on the chart where there were losers. Okay, and I'm going to take this back. We're going to start from, the morning session. Let's just go ahead and start. I'm not even going to count this overnight move, all right? Even though this was a huge, significant winner, what I'm going to do for you guys is we're going to start right here, okay? The morning session, all right? So as you can clearly see here, the volume turned green right over here on this bar. And in my opinion, whenever opening up a position, I never really want to risk more than 1 bar, right? I'm prepared to lose that 1 bar, but I never want to risk more than just 1 at any time. Make sense, guys? So when the volume indicator turns green, boom! I look for opportunities to go long this market, and I never risk more than 1 bar. And you can see how this trade played out. It kept going, aka trending in our favor for about 15 bars. How about trade number 2? Let's jump to trade number 2 here. All right, 10 bars. Why? Why did I draw 10 bars? Well, the volume indicator turned red. We'd potentially think about going short right here, and we squeezed out at least 10. I'm being very conservative on these calculations, all right? This one was probably a lot more than 15. I'm being conservative when I say 15. Here, this was a lot more than 10. I'm being conservative with these numbers, all right? It's always a good idea to be conservative with your trading as opposed to aggressive with your trading. Anyway, trade number 3, right over here, 15 bars, give or take, right? So to start the session, okay, and if you mathematically said to yourself, you know what, I want to look for 10 to 1 today. I want to risk 1 bar, but I want the opportunity to make a minimum of 10. Well, guess what? On the first 3, buddy, you were 3 for 3. right? Locking in huge gains without much of a sweat. Now, look what happened to the market, right? This entire stretch between here and here. So this middle section here, right? Look, guys, the market decided to chop around. That is part of trading. Look, guys, if you can master this concept, if you can glean what I'm explaining to you right now at this moment in time, guys, I'm telling you, you will never, ever randomly or blindly trade the market without having a proper understanding of risk and reward. And nothing I'm showing you here is complicated, right? So anyway, market just chopped around. Remember what I said when we started this video. When you're using the volume indicator, you never want to risk more than one bar. And you're prepared to lose that one bar if the market goes against you. Make sense? So yeah, man, we caught some heavy trends all day. And then the market decided to chop around. And we had to give some of our gains back. -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. Look, that's part of trading. You have to accept the small losses as part of a strategy to capture big gains. Okay? There's no way to get around that, guys. If anybody tells you different, they are lying to you. This is nothing more than a game of risk management on a daily basis. When you become good at managing your risk, you are going to become a boss at trading. All right? But I'm not done. We didn't talk about the final trade, right? 30 bars on this one right here, the final one of really just the morning session. Okay? Now look, here's the best part. Let's go ahead and create some space here and go ahead and do the math, right? Look, guys, you want to be good at trading, you got to know your numbers. You got to do the math, all right? Not that hard. You just saw me do it. It's not that hard. Let's tally up all of our winning bars, okay? You saw me walk through every winner and every loser. The wins, we grabbed about 65 bars today, okay? And this is on a slow day. Imagine the heavy, volatile trend days. 65 bars on a slow day. And we lost, when the market chopped, we lost 5 bars, right? So simple math will tell you that we were able to grab a net gain of 60 bars. Okay? Guys, 60 bars. Like, people would be happy with half of, people would be happy with a quarter of this on a daily basis, right? People would be happy with a net gain of 10 bars, 12 bars, 15 bars. We caught 60. Okay? So look, folks, what else do I have to tell you, right? Number one, you want to master day trading? Well, guess what? You got to know your numbers. You got to do the math. You got to figure out what is a good risk management profile for you. Everybody's different. I like to look for, 10 to 1, 20 to 1s, but you never know when the market might give you something like this, right? 30 to 1. You know what I mean? And you also don't know when a trend is going to appear out of nowhere. Guys, you have to be prepared every day, every minute. You've got to be tuned in to the market. You got to understand the market ebbs and flows. You've got to understand market structure. Okay, but look, at the end of the day, this volume indicator, I've done the math for you. You saw me, walk you through this from A to Z. None of this was cherry picked. This is from today, okay, which was somewhat of a slow day, right? Even on a slow day, the volume just works. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.